when something bad happens, the stock market gets.
So, this is your first day?
You fucked your leg up. Yeah.
Just a little, huh?
A lot. Not a little.
Yeah, a lot. Yeah. And the top part is also, I don't know if you can see the toe from there.
Alrighty, here is the workman's comp form. They're
Awesome.
just going to fill all of this out and then fax it back over to us at this number.
Okay, sounds good.
Alrighty, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come again. Yeah, just put that in the truck so it doesn't get lost. Not how I, planned your first day with me to go. But in trucking, nothing ever goes the way you wanted, does it? And look, the machine says I'm still alive. Good to know. Well, there's my beautiful foot. And I got some crutches. Waiting for my chauffeur, also known as student, to bring the truck. And that's what happens when you come to the hospital with the whole coronavirus thing. They have everybody really separated. They go from there and then they go over there and they check your temperature and stuff before you even walk from your vehicle to them. And make sure that you're not running a temperature or anything. So, yeah, so that's my day. Yeah, comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Today sucks. Anyway, I'll update you guys later. I don't know if I'm going to upload this video like it is or if I'm going to have another jump cut. But I got to go to the Walmart terminal and then from there go home for now. So catch you guys later. Alrighty, so the last clip you saw, I guess I am going to record another video. Student slash co-driver slash my chauffeur today. Don't know why I can't pronounce that word right. He might not exactly be a limo driver, but he's definitely going to be driving me around for a minute. He's driving us back up to Temple. So I actually don't remember what I said in the last video. I'm just kind of really frustrated that my foot's injured and it really hurts. And the doctor or the hospital doesn't prescribe real pain medication. So I don't know. I gotta go see this foot specialist and they're gonna, I don't know what they're gonna end up saying. But there's no major crack or something where they could go, oh, hey, look, there's your crack. But I think, there could be a hairline fracture. They're very hard to find on x-ray, but they didn't say that. I've had previous experience with hairline fractures, or the possibility of them, so I got a little bit of an education in there. But a lot of soft tissue damage. And they said 6 to 8 weeks to heal completely. That's a long time, guys. That's a long time. I gotta get with Swift and find out if I'm gonna be put on leave, medical leave, due to the injury, or if I'm going to be set to work, but as a mentor only, or light duty, or I have no idea. But my crutches are right there. Getting in and out of the truck was interesting. Or getting into the truck, getting out of the truck earlier before the hospital was interesting. Decided to just drop the trailer and get to the hospital instead of doing the whole ambulance and all that, because I do have a student and I have Layla on the truck with me today. So come on Layla. she was laying on the floor. So I didn't want to leave the truck over at the Walmart store due to the fact that it's 80 some odd degrees out here. 80 plus. It's hot. And I love my dog, and she kind of goes everywhere I go. So yeah, that's that. God, it's been a long day, guys. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. I might talk about a little bit about the coronavirus in the hospital and the whole system that they got going there. I kind of was talking to the doctor, the nurse, and then the X-ray technician told me some funny things, which I love to talk to the X-ray technicians. If you want to hear some crazy ass things, ask an X-ray technician what they've seen when they take an X-ray. He told me some good ones, and then I know some other good ones from other X-ray technicians. I've had a few X-rays in my life. A few. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And yes, I know this is not a trucking video, but oh well. Have a good one. Don't get hurt. It sucks, especially when it's your foot. Later.